Are you ready to make some bubbles? I'm ready to make some bubbles. Water has something called surface tension. We can see it when we put water onto a penny. We can also see it when we make bubbles. Soap added to our water gives it less surface tension. Take your soap, put it into your water. Then mix it up really well. Get yourself a water bottle and cut off the bottom just like this so you have two openings. Next, we're gonna take a sock and put it over the bigger end. Then take your container, dip it into the solution, and blow. All of those bubbles are formed because the air is squeezing through the fabric and creating these little bubbles. Until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.